In this video, I show you how to fix TikTok video 100% loading problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that your TikTok app is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search TikTok, click on TikTok, up to date your TikTok app if available in update version. Now then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for TikTok, click on TikTok, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage. Now open TikTok app. Allow permission. Skip. Now I hope that this method fix TikTok video loading problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.